Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this NOCO Boost model number GBX75. So this is for jump starting batteries that are dead on your vehicle. I've got it because of a diesel truck. I want to be able to start a diesel truck. It will start up to a 6.5 liter. Now here's everything that comes in the box. It does come with a nice bag to carry everything in, but we got a cable here, USB-C to A, and we have a charging. You can charge this with your car. This has USB-C output. So the first thing is, it does come with about half charge, but you should charge it up. Now on the side here, this is a USB-A out. There's the USB-C, that's in or out. So you can have USB-C out to charge something like an iPhone, but you can also have USB-C in, and that's how you're gonna charge it first off. Now let's look at the specs for the USB-C in. You can have 5 volts, 1.5 amp, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, or 20 volts, 3 amps coming into it to charge it. Okay, so I've got my USB-C cable plugged in. Now it is charging, but it's not fast charging. If this light comes on, that means you're fast charging the pack. And then, like I said, it came with about half charge, and then it will go and just the green light will be on. That means it's fully charged. So let's talk about it. Now the jumper cables come attached. You are not able to take them off. They are permanently attached to this battery pack. Now it's kind of big, and I'll measure everything. But first thing, we have a power switch. So you're gonna turn the jump pack on, you're gonna put it on the battery, turn it on, it's gonna check the status of the battery, then you can go and start the battery. If your battery is completely dead and there's no power in it whatsoever, then you're gonna hit the override. Hold the override down. All right, and now it's going to try to start it with a completely dead battery. Now let's turn it off. Now, if you are not able, it has this little sticker on here, a 60-second timer. So say you put this on your battery, red goes to positive, the black goes to ground. So put it on your battery, turn it on. If you don't start your car within 60 seconds, it's going to automatically power down. And so all you got to do is cycle the power and turn it back on. We've got some other indicator lights up here also. And we also have a flashlight with different modes of operation. All right, let's go back to the specs. So the USB-C can output the same voltages, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, or 20 volts. The USB-A is only 5 volts, 2.1 amps max. Polarity, so there's a 75 watt-hour lithium battery inside there. Peak current is 2,500 amps. Charging temp from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Store it at minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So the jumper cable is roughly about 14 inches, 8 inches to about 14 inches from the jumper pack. The jumper pack again is kind of big, but not really, considering 8.25 inches that way, about 5.5, but you're gonna have those big cables connected to it. And thickness wise, it's about 2 3/4 inches thick. All right, so again, let's push these on again. There's the USB-C that I can charge it with. So if I want to charge it with that, it simply just push it in like that, and now I can plug this into my lighter in my car, and it will charge it. It's nice to put these covers on though. And now wrap the cords around, and then you want to store the cables like that. Yeah, you want to flip it so the cable is up. There. Now flip, this one should go down, the cable, to kind of get out of the way of the other one. So one cable goes down, one cable goes up, and now it's really, really stored nice and tight. Now let's do an overall measurement. 6.5 inches by 9.25 inches. Height-wise, 3 inches. And let's try to get the maximum opening. These things got a big spring in there. About 1.5 inches by about 1.5 inches. And that's about, the copper is about 3 inches. Or 3/4 inch. All right, let's go over the other lights. Again, we got several lights. We got a power light, 1, 2, 3, 4 lights, and then our status light. So after the 60-second timeout, that light's going to turn orange. You have to cycle power to get it back to white. That means it's ready. Okay, so there is a cold icon. There's a reverse polarity. So if you've got them hooked up wrong, the reverse polarity light will come on. The cold illuminates or flashes when the temperature is too low. There's a snowflake right here. Hot illuminates when it's too hot to charge. Air, then the next one is an air. Blinks on or off in various sequences from 1 to 6 blinks to convey air conditions. There's the light mode. You've got 100%, 50%, 10%, SOS, blink, strobe, and off. The boost. This is the boost LED. Illuminates when boost is active. And again, it does have some warnings for the manual override. It says, to enable, push and hold for 3 seconds. Warning, disables safety protection and manually forces boost on. Only for use when a battery voltage is too low to be detected. And then we got the fast charge LED. All right, let's go to the air messages on the air one. A single flash means you have a short circuit detected between the battery clamps. Double flash is high voltage detected at clamps. It's greater than 12 volts, such as 24 volts. Triple flash, bad battery cell detected. When an internal battery cell has failed during charging. 4 flashes, charge timeout error. So something was wrong with the charger. 5, 6 flashes. Back charge detected through the GBX75 through the clamps while in boost mode. So and there must be some voltage coming back. And here's a list of all of those error messages. And here's the first one. And there's a picture of all of the diagrams. So here it gives percentages. You've got 4 LEDs, 100%, 75, 50, 25. If you have fast charging, it only takes 1.7 hours to charge it. But if you have not so fast, it could take up to 20 hours at 5 watts. So again, the first thing you'll do is going to be powered off. So you're going to go up to the car and then you're going to put the cables on. Then you turn it on. Then you go try and start the car. Once the car is started, turn it off and take the cables off. I really do love these jump starting packs. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.